Are you tired of the daily grind for new customers? Spending hours or even days hunting for fresh leads, only to find outdated lists that everyone else is already using? Are you struggling to keep up with your competition, wondering how they always seem to be one step ahead with their pricing and marketing? You know the data is out there on social media, on e-commerce sites, on local directories, a gold mine of leads, insights, and competitive intelligence. But getting that data, it's been a nightmare. For decades, web scraping has been the secret superpower of successful businesses, but it's been a secret kept for the elite. It required complicated tools, custom code for every single website, and expensive developers to keep things from breaking every time a site updated its layout. These tools were clunky, unreliable, and cost a fortune. It was a game rigged against the small business owners, the solo marketer, and the ambitious agency. Until now. What if you could point to any website and just take the data you need? No code, no complex recipes, no developers. What if you could scrape unlimited fresh leads, real-time e-commerce data, and customer reviews with a single click? That's not the future, that is DigiMiner AI. We've given scraping a brain. DigiMiner is a breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension that does the hard work for you. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Choose any website you want. 2. Tell the AI what data you need. And 3. Get your data instantly. DigiMiner's AI intelligently understands the structure of any page, so you get exactly what you ask for every time. With DigiMiner, you can dig up any kind of data you can imagine, build endless lists of targeted leads from LinkedIn, scrape pricing and product data from Amazon or any Shopify store to dominate your e-commerce niche, analyze customer sentiment by grabbing thousands of reviews from Trustpilot, find freelance gigs, real estate listings, phone numbers, email lists. If it's on a website, DigiMiner can get it for you. Forget about failed scrapes. DigiMiner works on the most difficult, dynamic and JavaScript-powered websites because it works inside your browser. If you can see it, Digi can scrape it. It features automatic scrolling and page navigation. Just start the scrape and walk away. DigiMiner will navigate through multiple pages and scroll to uncover all the data, getting you thousands of records while you focus on other things. But we didn't stop at just getting the data. We help you understand it. Our exclusive AI data analysis lets you chat with your data. No more complex spreadsheet formulas, just ask questions in plain English to get instant answers and insights.
My outreach was stuck, same old leads. With DigiMiner, I get fresh social media prospects every day. My pipeline's never been fuller.
DigiMiner is the ultimate AI scraper, and because you're here during this special sale, we are not just giving you access, we are giving you the keys to the kingdom. You can get DigiMiner AI right now for a special discount, a super special discount in fact, a price you might never see again. But you have to act now. This is a special sale. The price could go up anytime. Stop struggling for leads. Stop letting your competition dictate the market. It's time to equip yourself with the AI-powered advantage you deserve. Your purchase is fully protected by our 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. You have absolutely zero risk. The only risk is missing out. Click the button below to get instant access to the DigiMiner special deal right now before the price increases forever.